Ultra-wide coder control solution. Mass deployment of HC30 PLC and HD800 VFDs. For this 85 meters extra long production line, HC30 PLC delivers long-distance signal transmission via Ethernet. Distributed control architecture drastically cuts wiring harnesses. HD800 VFDs from networks over CAN bus to simplify wiring. Commissioning time cut by 60%, labor cost down by 50%. Supporting fast delivery of complex long production lines. The system reads all VFD operating parameters in real time. Fault locations are quickly pinpointed without line-by-line inspection, lowering equipment maintenance costs.